Hello guys, I am Shahzad and welcome in lecture number first. Today's we are going to start our new series which is WooCommerce. So basically WooCommerce is a plugin available in WordPress. You can enable the e-commerce functionality by downloading and installing the WooCommerce plugin. WooCommerce gives you a lot of things like how can you create your products, how can you manage your orders, your coupons, and many things. So before starting, let me introduce myself. I am Shahzad and I have more than 8-year experience in web development. I have created thousands of websites in WordPress and other languages like PHP and also Laravel and CodingNighter. So we will discuss about the WooCommerce functionality in this series, but the prerequisite are you need the PC, internet connection, and also you have the basic knowledge of WordPress, because if you are not familiar with WordPress, it's hard to understand the WooCommerce functionality, because WooCommerce is a plugin. You can download and install the plugin in the WordPress while working on WordPress website. So we are going to cover each and every things in this series, like products, like orders, like how can you add the payment gateway. I'm talking about the PayPal, and also how can you manage your orders. We will discuss about the variables and a lot of things we are going to cover in this series. So thank you for watching.